know it's crazy. I'm already patching the spot and the other grass has barely come in. But anyway, today I'm going to show you why watering is a key ingredient. I've heard it all my life, but by accident I sort of proved it to myself this time. So today what happened was we had a big oak tree that's sort of right in the middle of this section, and I thought water was getting around to everything, but then I realized that this one spot wasn't getting enough. You can see it right here. I've already gone and ran the tiller and loosened up the dirt, and I've got some other things that I'm going to put in it. I've got some organic topsoil that has worm castings in it. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that after I put down the seed. That works so good on the other section, I just thought, well, why not, since it's a small spot. And I'm going to use the Hybrix fertilizer simply because of I believe it's 12-6, and I forgot what the last number is, but it does have some phosphorus in it, which I understand is good for young grass, and so decided to use that. I had some of that left. I also have some Carbon X, but it has more nitrogen but no phosphorus in it, so I decided to use the Hybrix. And then last but not least is the GCI Turf Type Tall Fescue, which is what I've been doing on the whole lawn renovation. And while it's great seed and I really believe in it, like I said, water, key ingredient. If you're going to do a lawn renovation and you're not going to water, you're wasting your money. You really are. You might get something to come up, but anyway, I have proved it to myself this fall that water is the key ingredient. I'm going to show you in just a little bit. Well, heck, I'll show you now. Come on, I'm going to show you the section that didn't get any water, and we haven't had hardly any rain for a while now. So I'm going to take you up here and show you this so you can see what I'm talking about. This is a great example of what water can do for your lawn. So anyway, I'm going to show you this. I'm going to turn the camera around and let you see for yourself. Okay, so you can see this is looking right up my sidewalk. You can see the section to the right is where we reseeded and got water, and then over on this section, nothing, no water. We really haven't had any water to speak of since September the 2nd. And on this section here, both of these sections, I've watered just kind of religiously for the last month. Today is I think the 28th, so from September the 2nd to the 28th, I've been putting water at least twice a day on this, and of course you can see the difference. But like I said, I got a couple little areas. Here's one right up here by the front sidewalk that water just wasn't reaching to it, so I've kind of picked up a couple new sprinklers that will give me a little more coverage, and so hopefully I've fixed that problem. And then here's the key spot right here that I'm getting ready to put down the seed and fertilizer and the organic topsoil. So anyway, stay tuned, and we'll get this started, and hopefully it will grow in and I can blow leaves around it. And I know it's really late, but it was bugging me too much just to leave it. So we're going to see what happens. I'll probably come back and put some RGS and maybe some humic over it, maybe do a super dose to try to give it all the help I can. So anyway, stay tuned and the work continues.